Okay, continue. Since we shall confess on one Yom Kippur, should we confess on another Yom Kippur? 85 commentary. This statement is a subject to debate among the sages in Yoma 86b. Rabbi Elazar ben Yaakov mentioned the opinion quoted by Rambam. Okay. However, the sages maintain that not only one is not required to confess one's sins the following year, it is improper to do so. They compare such a behavior to a dog returning to lick its vomit. Okay. So let's try to understand. So Rambam. So there are two opinions in the Talmud. One is Rabbi Eliezer ben Yaakov. So he said, you have to repeat the same. You have to do Teshuvah again regarding the sins that you already did Teshuvah in previous Yom Kippur, as we explained, to remind ourselves again, not to be too arrogant. But sages said, no, that's it. You did it once, that's enough. Why are you going back again? So we also explained this position, right? It's like dog that return to lick its vomit. So in dog, as we know, it's animal that would eat any food, even doesn't matter how disgusting the food is. So if even dog vomit, it means it's very not good. And after a few moments, he already forgot, right? He went outside. This way, this place, that place, jump around, and comes and licks its vomit. So they say, don't be like this dog. Though the Torah and Orach Chaim 6 or 7 favors the opinion which opposes repetition of the confession, the Shulchan Aruch and most later authorities consider such repetitions praiseworthy. So you're not obligated, but it's praiseworthy to keep yourself humble. I mean, that's just logical. Okay, so we can stop here. We finish. No, we did not finish. I apologize, we did not finish. One second. So one more time the whole sentence. Sins which were confessed on Yom Kippur, on one Yom Kippur, should be confessed on another Yom Kippur. Okay, we said that. Even though one remains steadfast in his repentance. So it's not like he breaks some. No. He's a steadfast. He stopped and he never did it again. However, if person is unable to maintain the spirit of Teshuvah and reverts to his sins, he surely requires to repent. I mean, the people, they relapse, right? They did for 3 months, 5 months, especially this Tikkun Habrit, right? That's the big one. Meaning the waste and seed, right? So people do and they cannot hold themselves going back. So that's the big one. Okay, so there's Psalms 51:5 states, I acknowledge my transgressions and my sins are always before me. So David HaMelech said, HaShem, I remember everything that I did. Okay, so last commentary and we stop. Okay, Rashi interprets the verse to mean, I don't feel that I have been granted atonement for them, and they are constantly before me. Okay, so that's what David HaMelech meant. Tanya Igeret Teshuvah. So Tanya is a Balatanya, meaning Balatanya, right? It's Lubavitcher Rebbe, that's all. First one. In chapter 11, explain that the words Nagdi translate before me. Okay, before me should be interpreted from afar. From afar. So what does it mean? As in the verse in Numbers 2:2. Okay, they should camp around the sanctuary from afar. Okay, meaning don't come closer to the Mishkan. So what does it mean? Thus, the verse from Psalm implies that a person should always remember his sins and thus remain humble. As we said, that's the reason to keep yourself humble. Right? However, the awareness of them should not prevent him from serving God with joy. Okay, you did it. Actually, the opposite should be shown. So that's what Satan wants. He wants to make the person depressed about the sins, and so he would stop serving Hashem, right? And needless to say, with joy, right? So we do exactly the opposite. On the contrary, the renewal of the connection to God through Teshuvah should be a source of happiness. Right? So, I mean, you're going back to HaShem, He forgave you. You should be the happiest person alive.